Welcome. In this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on ASUS ROG Xbox Ally X. The first one and the easiest way to take a screenshot on your device is by pressing either M2 or M1 button. Hold them down, one of them, and then press the A button, and then the screenshot will be taken. And if you tap on the notification popping up on your screen, you will see the screenshot. You can also check your file location by tapping the respective icon right here, then tap OK, continue, and here are all of your screenshots. As you can see, they are saved in the videos captures folder. The other way to take a screenshot on your device is by pressing the Armour Create button, and then on the list of widgets you can tap Add, Find, Take Screenshot, and once you do that, press B to go back, and now you can take a screenshot by tapping on this icon right here, and the screenshot will be taken too. Now there are also Windows ways to take a screenshot on your device, and to take a screenshot on your device using Windows feature, you're gonna have to open the keyboard on your device, and to do so you can either press M2 or M1 buttons and then press up on your D-pad. This way you will open the keyboard. By default you don't have the full size keyboard, so you have to tap the gear icon right here and select keyboard layout, and go to choose traditional. Once you choose the traditional keyboard layout, you have to press Windows Shift and S combination of keys. So let me open the keyboard once again. So Shift, Windows and S, and if you press these three buttons simultaneously, you will see this bar at the top of your screen. And now here you can choose one of the four available screenshot modes. You can have the first one is rectangular one. Now Windows also supports AI features for it to help you choose the area that you want to take a screenshot of. To use this feature, you have to tap right here. Here you can also use the AI features for recognition of what you're taking a screenshot of. But let me just present you the simple feature. So if you want to take a rectangular screenshot on your device, you're gonna have to select an area of your screen that you want to take a screenshot of, and once you select it, the screenshot will be taken. In the Snipping Tool app, you'll be able to edit this screenshot using quick tools that are available at the top of your window, and you can also edit it in Paint. And to save the new version of the screenshot, tap right here and then select where you want to save your screenshots. By default, your screenshots, Windows screenshots, are saved in Pictures, Screenshots. Now let's sort by date, and here is the screenshot that we took. Now let me go to the following way of taking a screenshot using Windows Snipping Tool, which is the windowed screenshot. To take a windowed screenshot, you just have to tap on the window that you want to take a screenshot of, and the screenshot of a window will be taken just like this. And the following way to take a screenshot is the full screen screenshot. Once you select this option, the screenshot of your full screen will be taken automatically. And the last one is the freeform screenshot, which looks just like it works almost as a rectangular screenshot, except for you're gonna have to draw a shape on your screen, any shape that you like, and the screenshot of this particular shape will be taken, and it will look somewhat like this. So these are all the ways that you can take a screenshot on your ASUS ROG Xbox Ally X. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.